Hi everyone, in this video we will be unboxing and setting up the Teracube Thrive phone for kids. You'll see how easy and convenient it is to get going. To get started, open the Teracube Thrive box. We have the Teracube wireless flyer, quick start guide, the SIM card enclosure, a charging cable, and of course the phone. Let me quickly talk about Teracube Wireless. Teracube Wireless offers reliable nationwide coverage and it's powered by T-Mobile. I'd recommend you take advantage of these affordable and contract-free plans. The wireless flyer and the quick start guide both have instructions on how to activate within minutes. I'll also be recording a separate video on the activation process, so be on the lookout for that. Now back to Teracube Thrive setup. My kiddo's waiting for his phone, so first you'll want to power on your device. The setup workflow will guide you through how to connect the Wi-Fi and then enter your kid's Google account for installing apps. If you don't have a Google account for your kid already, you can make one on a separate computer or a phone. Then once the phone is booted into the main screen, you'll want to open one of the blocked apps like the Google Play Store. The Thrive system will guide you to connect the phone to a parent device and it will show a QR code. This QR code needs to be scanned from the Teracube Thrive parent app running on the parent's phone. The parent app works on both iPhone and Android. I've installed it from the Apple App Store on my iPhone. The Teracube Thrive Guide also has links to the apps. Open the Thrive parent app and create an account. Once inside, create a new child profile with the basic information. I set my child's daily total screen time allowed to 45 minutes. This means they can only use the phone, all apps included, for a total of 45 minutes for the day. Now we will scan the QR code on the Thrive phone. Once the setup is complete, I can see the full list of approved and blocked apps on the child's phone. I want to allow my kid to install more apps. There are thousands of apps available, but every app he installs will need approval from me. So I'll allow the Google Play Store, which is the app store on Thrive. I'll approve it and set the time limit per day to 30 minutes. You can repeat this for any app you want to approve, and you can adjust the settings at any time by tapping on the individual app. I can now be rest assured that my kiddo will be using his phone safely and in a healthy way with app approvals and time limits. And that's it. The Thrive phone is really easy to set up in minutes. If you run into any issues, the quick reference guide has all the ways you can connect with the friendly folks at Teracube.